Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Greetings from College Dunya.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
would like to inform our viewers that Dr. Vijay Kumar Vani is the principal of MET Institute of Engineering, Bhujwal Knowledge City, Nasik. He has an experience of over 30 years. He has 12 publications in International Journal and 9 publications in National Journal. We are truly privileged to have him on our leadership series, Thoughtful Leaders. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. It's
So,
my privilege that I will be there with you.
So, sir, in this epidemic situation, what would be the impact on education?
For education, first we have to start for the impact on every individual, either student, parent, customer, or anyone, or industrialist. You see the lockdown situation has brought the self-realization among the every citizen of India. Earlier, we used to go for against the materialistic thing. Now we have a certain that how much it is important to go to close to the nature. What are the importance of the values, relationships? Now earlier the relationships were there only with on WhatsApp or Twitter or like that Instagram. Now the personal relations has nurtured like anything, and the understanding has been enhanced in multifolds. In the period of 4 months, someone has asked me that what we have lost in this lockdown period. I told you we have not lost anything. Money, paisa aata jata rehta hai, but what we have gained, patience. What is the necessity for the patience of mind? What is the family relationship? What is the value of the family relationship? Caring approach that we have earned like anything as compared to earlier period. And in this, now we can say that we are slowly moving back towards the nature and realize that without outing, because earlier what was there, every Saturday or weekend we used to go for the outing. Now even in family, small family, either in rural area, semi-urban area or urban area, every member is involved in getting the preparations, any household item. So that involvement has been increased and that cohesiveness has been increased there. That is the positive impact what we can see with this epidemic situation.
Okay, that's good.
With positive approach.
So, sir, according to you, the economic scenarios are changing. So, how would it impact in long run, sir?
Yeah, no doubt there is a slowdown in industrial segment, in service segment, in agriculture segment due to the low customer support because of the conveyance problems and everything, in number of problems. But we have to be hopeful, not hopeful, but we can be confident. I am confident about it. This is an opportunity for the industrial segment in India to put their footprints on the international market. Reason I can tell you. Because you see, now as on today, just last week there was a news that PPE kits, India has already started exporting the PPE kits. You see the skill available, the manpower available, the approach of the manpower, that instead of importing the things, we have started exporting the things, means we have tapped the opportunity. On the similar lines, and reason for this is that the India has earned the reliability about their approach. About the China, when we are talking, they have done and they have started doing the business out of it. At the first and second lockdown, India has helped to the other countries for the medical supportive equipments, medicines and all these things. Because of that, the reliability has been earned by India like anything. And because of the large skill manpower at lower cost, and because of the reliability of the Indian image, we can have the good opportunity in the next 2 decades. And we can be there in industrial scenario worldwide. There is a good scope for us. And in this context, simultaneously, one thing I would like to add it on there, Now the industrial revolution is going on, fourth industrial revolution, fourth. First industrial revolution was for mechanization, wherein hydraulic steam power was there. It was in up to 1870 to 1900. Second industrial revolution was there for mass production, assembly line, transportation, communication part up to 1970. Third revolution was there for computer and ICT. Renewable energy was there. Now the fourth revolution, industrial revolution has started. What is there in fourth industrial revolution? Artificial intelligence, robotics, cyber physical security systems. And you can see for all these things, what is the basic requirement? Creative mindset, innovative mindset. And India has abundant that type of manpower with us. And with these things, with the industrial revolution number 4, because when we are teaching and we are having the interaction with the industry, the priorities has been changed by the corporate segment. Earlier priority was for profit. Now priority has been changed with the purpose. How to retain, how to gain the top position. Profit will automatically follow. Once there is you are in top position. पैसा अपने आप खुद ब खुद पीछे आएगा, भागने की जरूरत नहीं उसके पीछे. Second thing, hierarchy. Earlier hierarchy was there. Now there is a flat structure is going on. Networking is important thing. I will give one example with my one of the friend, the vice president of American corporate segment. My friend has given the interview for the post of general manager. He was telling you, hey, I will not call you in my cabin because I don't want to waste your time. Since I am in need of the work, I will come to your table, get it the work done, and within 2 minutes I will be making free myself and to yourself. But here we are following the things, sir, may I come in, sir, may I, all these things. These things has been changing because of the industrial revolution 4. Next is the controlling. Earlier controlling system was there, now the decentralization is there, empowerment is going on there, day by day. Priorities are going on there. Then planning was there earlier, now the planning has been converted, now priority has been given for the experimentation. Why it is so? I will give a very small example. If I have to manufacture this pen in 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 million, 10 million figure quantity, at that time I used to go for the planning and all these things. Because of the advanced machineries available, rapid prototyping system, I will not go for the trial production. With rapid prototyping system, I will manufacture 1 or 2 type of pen, which is acceptable. I will start it. That's the experimentation nowadays. Earlier, it was taking for product launching, it was taking 6 months. Now, within 6 days, you can launch and start the product. That's the experimentation has been given the priority nowadays. Now, in this changing economic scenario, when we are talking, the manpower has to be compatible enough to sustain in the market, to be acceptable in the market. Not only in Indian market, what I'm talking, in the global market. Yeah. Next.
So, sir, rightly said, sir. Sir, what do you think would be the role of institution in the upcoming years? Like how they should change their curriculum or how they should train their students so they become competent enough to be, like as you said, on a global level.
I will very small example I will give. When we are talking for the curriculum is for what purpose? Is it not enhancing the employability? It is the measure of your remembering capacity. The difference between education and training is that education broadens the vision.
Right.
And for that purpose, curriculum is important, no doubt, but equally important is the personality development of an individual.
Right.
I will give a very small example there. One mechanical engineer was giving the interview. He was not completely diploma. His one subject was remaining, but he has given the interview. Company has asked him, very small example is there. But everything is alright, but you're not a diploma holder. Yeah, absolutely no, I know it. You are from HR? Yes, I am from HR. How did you know? When you are asking for the certificate, you just tell me for which position you are asking. You are asking for the shop floor supervisor. Means you want to get the production from the workers, right? your supervisor is going to retire in next few months, so I will be replacing to that if I am selected. So do one thing, give the two similar machines, one job to him, one job to me. Let us have the competition. If I am behind, I will not claim anything. Because उसने पूछा कि भाई एक बात बताओ, मशीन पे काम मैंने करना है या मेरे डिप्लोमा के सर्टिफिकेट ने करना है?
Rightly said, sir.
The mindset is important. No doubt degree is requirement. It reflects your approach, how much deep you can study, how much deep you can analyze. But that is not the everything.
Right.
Apart from that, the application orientation is important part.
Right.
So in that concept, the institution role is very, very important. They have to provide the conducive environment for the students. Now, when we are talking about the students, there are n number of students in terms of percentage. Every student is not equally sharp and capable enough, right? So, role of institution, according to them, the input has to be given. आपके घर में या मेरे घर में 65-70 साल के बुजुर्ग है, 45 साल का बेटा है, 65-70 साल के दादाजी है, 45 साल के पिताजी है और 15 साल का बेटा है, तो ये तीनों का डाइट एक ही होता है क्या? In different. So accordingly, same philosophy we have to adopt it here. So the potential of the student has to be analyzed, and accordingly he has to be given the things. That conducive environment, it means like that.
Rightly, sir.
Yeah. Then conducive environment for developing the employable professional. When I am talking for the engineering, that's why I am talking professional for engineering. Employable means what? Not only for the job, not only employment ready. Employable means the individual should be capable enough for job placement or for own business or for higher studies. Because two terms are there nowadays. The person for the entrepreneurial mindset need to be creative, innovative. Does it mean that the person who is working there is not required for the creative and innovative? Nowadays, because of the cut competition in industrial segment, they are also looking for the creative and innovative mindset. That's why they are going for the flat structure, so that the manager level, senior manager level, assistant manager level, everyone should be capable enough to take the decisions at their own. So that creative mindset, innovative mindset, even in job, is the entrepreneurial approach. The person having creative, innovative mindset and working for others, that is the entrepreneurial approach. And for the self-industry, that is the entrepreneurial approach. That has to be nurtured among the students.
Right.
That is the role of the institution. Then, subjects, knowledge, skills and understanding for the approach development among the students. This I will give the requirement. Then what MIT is doing, that I will discussing it later on. Then soft skill among the students. These are the things which are expected from the institutions nowadays, so that the professional passing out from that institution should be acceptable globally anywhere in the world.
Great, sir. So that was a beautiful description of the role of institution. Sir, can you throw some light on the role of teacher in the present context?
You might have heard the opinion of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. What he has told, that first teacher is the parents. Next comes the primary teacher, then professional teacher. When the student is coming at professional degree, at that time, he has already crossed the 3 barriers. First parents, first teacher, then primary teacher, secondary, higher secondary teacher, and then coming to the professional degree. Here the role of teacher is not only to provide the knowledge. In nutshell, I can tell you, when we are talking for the engineering education, there are the 4 stages in education, professional education. Knowledge, skill, understanding and know-how. Knowledge stands for the what you are delivering it into the classroom. Skill is what you are experimenting in the laboratories. Means when we are saying that we have to manufacture this pen, we have studied theoretically how to manufacturing, what are the process involved in it, and then when we are manufacturing, that is the skill, experimentation, that is skill. Up to this only we are limiting the institutions. The role of teacher is not limited to this. He has to see that if I have to manufacture this pen, what are the requirements? What is the theory that's already taught? How to manufacture, that is already taught. But if I have to manufacture the 5,000 pens per day, what should be the requirement? If I have to manufacture the 50,000 pens per day, what should be the requirement? That is understanding. Means application of knowledge and skill, that is understanding. Means application orientation, that is the important part, so that it boosts up the confidence. I'll give you another very small example. You are riding the bike. When you started for riding the bike? At the age of 18 years, just take a day. What was the confidence level at that time and what is the confidence level at this time?
Increased, sir.
Increase like anything.
Right.
Because at the initial stage, you are having the only knowledge.
Yes.
Someone who has taught you, अरे भाई ये ब्रेक है, ये एक्सीलरेटर है, ये गियर है, इसको ये दबाओ तो चालू हो जाएगा.
Right.
बराबर है? You have done it, that is experimentation. That is a skill. You started it. But if someone is crossing the road, you are getting fumbled at that time. Because at that time you are not having the understanding that what I should do. Either I should accelerate the bicycle or I should put the brake. That when you are facing the problems, at that time you know, अरे अगर गाय आ रही है, पशु आ रहा है सामने से, तो पशु कभी वापस नहीं जाता, तो उसके हमें पीछे से जाना पड़ेगा. अगर कार हो रही, क्रॉस हो रही, कार रुक सकती है, तो हम आगे से भी जा सकते हैं. That judgment, that is understanding, that is required in professional education. And how it is there, that we will be discussing. Then the role of teacher is a controller with respect to communication skills, teaching pedagogy. Then he is also prompter. Multifarious roles are there. Prompter means what? In the play, prompter is there. If the actor getting confused, at that time he helps him. He does the prompting. Same case is the teacher. When he is doing the experimentation, when he is going for the project, at that time when he is getting stuck up, role of teacher plays important role. अरे नहीं बेटा ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करना है. You have to go accordingly. That prompter role is there. Then next comes the resourcer. Resources means what? He has to provide the opportunity for better understanding of the application of knowledge and skill. जैसे मैं बाइक का बताया था मैंने कि भाई ब्रेक कब दबाना, ये करना है, वो खुद सामने आ जाएगा कि भाई आप ब्रेक दबाना है, देख तूने, अगर ये पशु आ रहा है तो तूने ये ऐसा करना है, या कार आया तो ऐसा करना है. That is the resourcer. Then comes the assessor. Assessment. He has to do the assessment of the student. Assessment is what? बच्चा है, अच्छे बैकग्राउंड से है, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से, फॉर हिम मनी विल नॉट बी द क्राइटेरिया. पुअर फैमिली से है, उसके लिए मनी विल बी प्रायोरिटी क्राइटेरिया. ही माइट बी इंटेलिजेंट. Confidence level, risk taking capacity will be differing. So that's SWOT analysis, and based on that SWOT analysis, he has to guide them accordingly.
Right, sir.
That is the role of the assessor also. He is playing the role as the assessor also. Then next come as a participant, as a team member of the students. They should feel that, oh, he is one of us. How it is possible? He has to mentor the students. अरे बेटा कोई बात नहीं, इस बार फेल हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, अगले दफा हो जाए. That confidence he has to get it done. These are the things. In addition to this, when we are talking for the role, I would like to add from my own side, instead of your question, here the parallel for getting this success, role of teacher, along with the teacher, the student and parents role is also equally important. Very small example, अभी WhatsApp में काफी पिछले एक मेरे ख्याल से 6 महीने 1 साल से घूम रहा है कि अमेरिका में एक प्रोफेसर ने बच्चों का, स्कूल टीचर ने बच्चों का इंटरव्यू लिया, सर्वे किया.
Right.
कि उनको क्लास में ये कहा कि भाई उनको चॉकलेट दे दिए. Every student was given the chocolate with 30, 40, whatever the students are there, and he has gone out of the class. और 1 घंटे बाद आया और उनसे कहा कि चॉकलेट कोई नहीं खाएगा. Then he has categorized the students, कौन से बच्चों ने चॉकलेट खाए, कौन से बच्चों ने चॉकलेट नहीं खाए. ठीक है. अब ये होने के बाद नहीं खाए चॉकलेट, तो उसने उसके ऊपर फिर 50 साल के बाद सर्वे किया और उसमें कहा कि जो बच्चों ने चॉकलेट नहीं खाए थे दे वर सक्सेसफुल, और जिन्होंने खाया था वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं थे. तो उसने कहा कि द पर्सन हैविंग द पेशेंस इज हैविंग मोर सक्सेस, ये कहा. लेकिन इसमें एक और एक एडिशन कि अब हम इसको एक दूसरे को इंटरप्रिटेशन ये ले सकते हैं कि जो बच्चे जिन्होंने नहीं खाया तो उन्होंने क्यों नहीं खाया, और जिन्होंने खाया वो क्यों खाया. खाली एक पेशेंस है क्या? पेशेंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो उनको जिन्होंने नहीं खाया उनको ये फेथ था टीचर के ऊपर कि टीचर ने हमें जो कहा है इसके पीछे कोई वजह होगी. That faith and confidence over the teacher, that is important thing in life. अगर वो भी है स्टूडेंट्स में और पेरेंट्स में, टीचर के ऊपर और स्टूडेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन के ऊपर, then because not a single institution or single teacher on the in Indian context कोई चाहता होगा कि अपना स्टूडेंट खराब हो, फेल हो या उसमें फेल्यूर आए, राइट. तो यहाँ पे ये इनका रोल इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. अभी इसमें और एक ऐड करना चाहता हूं मैं कि एक सर्वे हुआ था कि यूएस में किसी यूनिवर्सिटी ने किया था कि जो स्टूडेंट्स है सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स और जो स्टूडेंट्स उनको कैटेगरी किया था इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज. सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट जीनियस जो होते हैं वो 3% होते हैं, जिनको किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन की टीचर के इसकी वो अपने आप से कैपेबल इनफ होते हैं कि वो अपना सक्सेस ढूंढ ले. 3%, 2 और 3%. जब हम कहते हैं ये अंबानी साहब है, ये है, वो है, वो कहा उन्होंने किया था. इट वॉज द इंडिविजुअल्स कैपेबिलिटी. तो वो 3% जेन्युइस में आते हैं. बाद में आते हैं 63% स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर दोज हु आर मीडियोकर, जो सिस्टम में ढल के अपने आप डेवलप कर लेते हैं अपना पर वो सिस्टम से हिसाब से. टोटल हो गए 66, रह गए 34. अब 34 स्टूडेंट्स जो है उनको टीचर को ज्यादा ध्यान देना होता है सो दैट दे कैन बी नर्चर्ड एंड डेवलप अकॉर्डिंगली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बैकग्राउंड. देयर द स्वॉट एनालिसिस प्लेज द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. और ये अगर टीचर करे, he or she can be the best teacher and best success ratio in their career.
Sir, that was a really great story about the survey. Sir, what MET plans? Like, what are the MET plans for the upcoming students? What MET is doing for them?
Right. I already told you with respect to change in priorities because of the Industrial Revolution. Because Industrial Revolution has initiated from 2010 like that. 2005, 2010, thereafter it has started initiated, and according to that we have to nurture this, we have to provide the product, service or student to the industry, right? When in the priorities we have mentioned that profit to purpose, right? So accordingly for this purpose, profit to purpose, hierarchy to networking, controlling to decentralization, the MET is organizing different type of programs. I will give one for profit to purpose. Engineers Week is celebrated at institution. 1 week program is there. Every department is conducting different technical activities, technical co-curricular activities. And for every department, at least 1,000 participants are there coming from the other institutions. And the entire program is planned, managed by the students themselves. At initial stage, when I started this program 2009 or 2010, at that time, we are given the funding, management has given the funding to the student activities. Now the situation is that because of the sponsorship and all these things, students are not only making their program self-sustainable, but they are having some surplus money with them. But that is not a profit. Now that money is utilized. The students are doing another thing. Nasik is tribal area is there in Nasik district. They are identifying the tribal areas, schools in tribal areas. they are conducting the survey. What is the need of the students? Then accordingly, out of that fund, which is surplus, they are providing the equipments, like sports equipments, study materials, stationery items to the students. And that is also done scientific way. They are conducting the survey, they are discussing it, that which one is needy. Means the corporate requirements are there, that where we have to go for that plant, what are the market surveys do. That's the prototype is conducted here at this institution. So that approach is developed among the students. Means profit to purpose. When we are talking for the hierarchy and networking, here at institution, every department is empowered to take decisions up to certain level. Decentralization has been already marked. And that is percolated to students also. When students are conducting the programs, what are the expenditures there? When they have got the sponsorship, they are deciding at their own that how to spend the money and how to get the optimal utilization of the resources.
Right.
Yeah. Then when we are talking about the controlling and decentralization, all these things, the problem-based learning approach is given at this institution. When the final year projects are there for the students, I already told you that the application orientation, knowledge, skill, understanding, with the project, final year project, major project and minor year project for the pre-final year, these are the basic steps for giving the better understanding of the subject. You see, even for the mechanical engineering or for the electrical engineering, everyone cannot be the master for the entire mechanical engineering. There are n number of topics there in there. So with respect to them, they are having, for getting the better understanding through their project, they are getting the better understanding. For that purpose, they are taking the open-end problem. The thumb rule at this institution is that no last year project is repeated there.
Okay.
Reason for that. अभी आपको बताओ, आप जंगल से जा रहे हो, आप अगर सीधा आपको रास्ता पता है, आपके दिमाग में अलग अलग विचार सोच चलेगी, आपका रास्ते का ध्यान नहीं होगा. लेकिन जब आपको पता है रास्ता नहीं है यहाँ पे, आप यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रोड, तो यहाँ पे आप पूरा अपना ज्ञान लगाओगे, पूरा दिमाग लगाओगे. तो जब ये ओपन एंड प्रॉब्लम से प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड लर्निंग है, जहाँ पे उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है, तो लड़का अपना पूरा ध्यान वहां पे लगाता है, पूरा अपना नॉलेज और स्किल लगाता है, एंड दैट इज द स्टेप फॉर द बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. ये आपके कह जाते हैं. और जैसे अभी एक प्लानिंग और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन की बात कर रहे थे हम, तो इसमें क्या किया है, यहाँ पे हमने वी हैव स्टार्टेड द कॉम्पिटिशंस. जो मैंने बताया था आपको, अभी एक पेन है, एक प्रोडक्ट उनको बच्चों को दिया जाता है कि भाई ये, सपोज यू आर अ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एट योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सपोज एज्यूम दैट टीम ऑफ 4 or 5 स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ये पेन का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना है और अपने पास प्रोजेक्ट आया, यू टू प्रिपेयर द प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट फॉर 500 पेन्स पर डे, 2000 पेन्स पर डे, एंड फॉर 5000 पेन्स पर डे, what should be the project report? So first they will manufacture that pen, they will work out what is the material requirement, time requirement, and all the which machines are there, and then they will be going for the project report, preparation of project report. So it gives the better understanding among the students. This is what MET is doing at our organization. With respect to teacher, I will tell you one thing. You have seen the 3 Idiot picture?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the Dangal?
Yes, sir.
दोनों में क्या था? 3 Idiot में क्या कहा गया था? जो बच्चे का इंटरेस्ट है उसमें उसको करने दो.
Right.
और दंगल में क्या किया कि बाप का इंटरेस्ट है उसमें करो.
Right, sir.
हम दोनों को ताली बजा के आए थे कि बिल्कुल सही फिलोसॉफी है करके.
Right.
180 की फिलोसॉफी है. यहाँ पे टीचर का रोल इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि जो बच्चा है, जो स्टूडेंट है, he has to assess the student. What are his strong points?
Right.
Where he is strong. Accordingly, he or she has to be nurtured. The role of teacher plays there very vital. And for that purpose at MET, we are having the mentor system. Mentoring system is there with us. For every 15 students, one teacher is there. Even for academic counseling, financial counseling, mental counseling, counselor is there at my organization. So that the students are getting means the right guidelines if they are stuck up somewhere. on mental front, academic front, or any other front, or technical front.
Right.
Everywhere we are providing the inputs to the guys. These are the things what we are doing. Now, with all these things, I would like to add the MET with this type of initiatives and steps. First year results are the most crucial results for any engineering institution. We are having one of the best first year results for the students. Why it is so? Because when the student passing out from the 12th to engineering, he is coming. The phobia of university exam has to be removed out of it. He has to come. He has to bring out of that shell. So for that purpose, we are conducting the prelim exam for the students. So once that prelim exam is there, he is coming out of that phobia. He is more confidently is appearing for the exam. Then concept clearing classes are there. Remedial classes for the weak students are there. So that we are trying to bring every student at one path. So that, and because of this, the good results are there. Even for the math, I can tell you, for mathematics, the students of MET Institute of Engineering are topper in Nasik. Pune University.
Okay.
Yeah. Then, as far as the placements are concerned, because when you or me, when we are going for the admissions, placement is there. Even this epidemic situation, 300 plus students has been placed from my institution as on today. Around 5 to 10 students have started their own units against startup. And students are waiting for the admission to US degree because of the problems that they are waiting now. These are the scenes with us. And apart from this, the problem-based learning, open-end learning approach, what is there? Output is that at this institution, not only the faculty, the students also having the patent in their name. Or the UG student having the patent in association with the staff. These are the results coming from at this institution.
That's really great to know, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what are your expectations from the students who are going to be the part of MET family from this year onwards?
First thing, we have to be regular. And we have to keep the faith on the teacher and mentor, as well as the institution. Whatever they are doing, it is for right. If that faith is there, everything goes on right. And somewhere some problems are there that can be sorted out. Counselor is there, mentor is there. We can sort it out. That's not the issue. But somewhere we have to keep the faith.
Right. So that's really great to know, sir. Sir, at last, what would be your message or suggestions to the students who are preparing to be the part of your prestigious institute?
Don't go only for the degree. Degree is the only one document which allows you to enter into the ground of competition. There, only the capable one will win the race. That degree will be the only entry card. That's the only passport for you to enter into the competitive world.
Right.
Their individual capability will matter more than your degree.
Rightly said, sir. Rightly said, sir. Sir, this discussion was really insightful. I'm sure viewers will learn a lot from this. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.